Okay, so good morning. It is February 17th. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's Chinese New Year, and it is pouring outside. So we decided to take a walk through the connected malls that go from hotel to hotel, and we are inside one right now. And but the issue is all stores are closed except some of the food places because of Chinese New Year. So we're just going to walk around a little bit and see what we see, and then probably move on to doing something else and see where and what everything connects to. Maybe find our way to the underground. This is above ground. Oh, looks like an appliance store selling air conditioners, TVs, washing machines, and all kinds of refrigerators. This goes to the convention center. Let's see what this sign is up here, as we have no idea where we're going. Oh, this is me. I think I'm the rat. Maybe not. The snake. I don't remember. Let's see. This is 48, 49, 50. 51, 52. Yeah, I'm the snake. So my lucky numbers are 2, 6, and 9. And lucky food is fish maw. Oh, have to go try some of that. And this year is a positive transformation for snakes, with energy steadily rising from spring. Social connections improve, probably not. Mid-year is ideal for career progress. Well, I'm not working, so no problem with that. Yeah, I don't know. And lucky colors are red and purple. All right, well, let's find Mom. Here's the horse. And this is the year of the horse, by the way. So the way that everything goes, it's every 12 years. And here's Mom. Social connections will strengthen by June. Okay. All right. So there we go. 358 is your lucky number. Okay, and this is Cinema Coach Bay Fountain of Wealth and Sky Garden. All right, let's walk down this way. I think what we might do is find our way over to Marina Bay Sands. walk the mall there. That's probably open because of the hotel, but never know. Okay, we're gonna see if we can figure out where to go here. And if we do, we'll bring you back. There's some Chinese New Year event going on right now. We'll see if we can catch some of it. Okay, so we came over to Marina Bay Sands, I'm sorry. And so there's a walkway that goes under to the towers. And we just took a taxi over because it's pouring outside. And figured we'll come over and see this, walk around a bit and see what's going on. And our driver was very nice. He was telling us that a couple days ago, a Chinese guy jumped off the one of the top levels of the hotel. Guess he lost in the casino, and a week ago or so, a Chinese woman hung herself. So, yeah, I guess the casino's not exactly a lucky place for people. This is quite some mall here. And although the rest of Singapore is closed up, as we can see, there's nothing closed here, which I suspected. So yeah, we're gonna walk around as we see some more architecture. I'll bring you back. Okay, so we just went into the casino, and when you go in, you have to show a passport and your immigration card from when you entered the country. Then they do facial recognition, take your picture, and once you've done all that, you can go in. The amount of play inside the casino is crazy. Cheapest table was 50 Singaporean dollars for Pai Gow. Everything else was higher than that. And then when you leave, it uses facial recognition to allow you to leave. Just absolutely insane. Anyway, we went in, we played a little, we lost, and now we're gonna walk around the mall and see what they have here. What was interesting inside is that the amount of money these people are playing in there is insane. Every high-end store you can possibly imagine is here in this mall. Over there is Hermès, Prada, 3 levels of insane shopping. And it's still raining. Alright, we're going to walk through and see anything interesting. We'll bring you back. So I think I brought you back just so you can see what the food court area looks like. It is absolutely insane. And over there, they have a Versace kids store. And over here, a Ralph Lauren kids store.
Well, it looks like it's probably everything.
Guess this must be what it's like on one of those large cruise ships with 6,000 of your closest friends. Anyway, more later. Hasta la bye-bye for now. And here we are at the other end of the mall of gondola ride. This place is truly insane, and the prices are astronomical. Went into a liquor store that had Macallan. One bottle on the shelf was $102,000. Went into a kids Dolce & Gabbana store, and a pair of sneakers was $830. Let's see what's down this way. And the other part that's amazing here is that these designer stores have multiple locations. Some of them we passed have 3, 4, 5 stores. Some of them maybe more than that.
Whatever you want.
Okay, so I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna head back to our hotel. We know where everybody in Singapore is hanging out today, and it's right here. All right, we'll see you in a bit.